was gonna hang this other camera, but car horn's going off. It's a perfect spot right here, man.
God, I guess.
Oh, look at that.
I love the way that sound works back and forth.
Here, use this one. Paula, take this one here. Paula, take this one.
Honey.
It's all done electronically then, George.
Well, it's done remotely controlled,
I mean,
so you don't got to stand up there and hand fire them anymore.
Okay. Yeah.
You just got all the tubes laid out with what you want. You can lay your whole show out then, you know.
Wow.
It's a lot safer than doing it by hand,
Boy,
and it makes a better show.
How do you turn the flash off?
That's it. Boy, we got good echoes up here.
Boy, it does. This is perfect.
This is the best spot right here.
Yeah, it really is. I like these heavy impact ones like that.
Reverb off the top of the canyon, off the top of the cut on the west side is great.
Here, taking video?
What?
Are you taking video?
Yeah.
This is that.
You hear that? Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, that was.
Wow.
Going.